Love like you've never been hurt, sing like no one can hear, and dance like no one's watching. And I always was very skeptical of that. Dance like no one's watching, meaning, I really just want to be free, be myself, and dance and express myself through dance as if no one were watching, because the distinction is that if someone were watching, I can't really be myself. And so I really thought about that, and that was something that had run my life. Which is what I thought I was going to be doing. It was that moment where I could actually say thank you for really resisting, which really forced me to dig deep and to prove to myself and to work extra hard so that I could have that amazing moment that couldn't have been scripted any better. And then the next day to be able to introduce my mentor, John DeMartini, to the audience and to weave that into the story is probably one of the most heart-opening experiences